Welcome to Edney Studios. I am Edney, and in this video we are come to learn how to do speed ramping in Premiere Pro. Please make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel and stick around to the end to see the final outcome. Let's get started. Okay, so in Premiere Pro we have this video we want to add a speed ramping to. So we first come to this place, hold this and raise it, so we increase, we get more space to do what we want to do. Then we come here to the FX, this come here, then right click, time remap, then speed. So this gives you, this line shows the speed at which the video is playing. This is the speed at which the image is playing. So the speed ramp I want to do, I want the video to be playing at a fast pace, then I slow it down. So I increase this slider to I raise it up to somewhere 220%. So I'm speeding it up like two times its speed. We delete this. So now it's moving a little faster. Then to add the speed ramping, I think I want to start the speed ramping from this place where he moves his left foot. So kind of, yeah, here. So you hold Control and click on the line to create a point. Then you go to where you want the speed ramping to end. So I want it to end when he puts his right foot down. Yeah, so then we add another point, and this we send it down to around 50. So we get a very slow movement. So then, this how it is now. So it's moving, then it slows, but it's too quick. So we need to add something like a transition from the fast to the slow. So we click on one of these points and we drag it to the right. This brings in a transition, and we also do the same to this. We drag it to the left. So then we click here, then making the transition even smoother. Same with this also. And so now this is what we have. So from here it kind of slows it down, then it speeds it up again. So that's all. That's speed ramping. And in the other way around, you can also speed it up. So you can also have a slow video and speed it up using the speed ramp. So this, my friends, is how to add a speed ramp to a video. This one I added the color grading and a little sound design. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for both video and Photoshop tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.